Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Sarita la Queen. So today I basically just did like a really natural, like, soft glam, I guess you can say. So like it looks really dramatic because of my lashes, but you could always substitute them for like a different type of lash. But literally I only use like a little bit of neutral purplish pinks, mauve tones, and that's it. Like a little bit of a shimmer. My lashes just made the look go extra glam, but it's really not. It's super simple. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I did my lashes and my lips off camera, and my lips I did the same molds that I always do all the time. I did Honey Love and Fussy. Honey Love from MAC, Fussy lip gloss, and from Fenty Beauty, and then Strip Down from MAC. So yeah, this is the final look. So I hope you like it.